Hindi namin nakuhang isipin. Ano ba tayo after 50 years? Ako po si Emilio Aguinaldo.
Manix Guzman.
June Baon.
Si Noel Silan.
Dan Peruelo Calica.
Ako si Ruben.
Michael Pangilinan.
Eugenio Angeles Alcanzare.
Ren Pambid.
Robertson Bilio.
Pi Sigma, one of the founders in 1972.
Bat 74.
70. 1979.
86C.
1976.
80-D.
Batch 81B.
Ay 85A.
But 72 sa UP kami freshman. Admittedly, we only wished. Really tuloy-tuloy. Pi Sigma was fortunate enough to have really good grads, good recruits.
Hello, I'm Jay Mirabales, batch 2002D. I joined the fraternity in UP Los Baños. And after a year, I transferred to UP Diliman. And I reintegrated myself in the fraternity with the UP Diliman chapter. Honestly speaking, I joined the fraternity because of curiosity. Curiosity in the sense that, will I survive? I'm going to be in a system that will just, make things not good for me. But I realized what happened was the opposite. Totally opposite to what I perceived, that fraternities are, it's just a group of men living the principle of brotherhood. But Pi Sigma is a progressive brand. We go beyond the traditional, we go beyond being scholars ng bayan. So these two principles will surely make me a great person if you are being consistent to the twin principles. And that was the reason why I was drawn to Pi Sigma fraternity. I have to admit it also to my fellow Sigmans that I became inactive for 2 years as an alumnus. And I know pandemic is not an excuse. And being busy with work is also not an excuse. And because of the things, internal things that are happening now, the universe told me that magpakita ka. Be the LE that your brads elected you in 2006. And that commitment should be lived by. And I will make sure that the batch 2000s will give their 100% commitment on that promise of continuing the bloodline. And that is the commitment of the batch 2000s. And since we're celebrating the 50th anniversary of our fraternity, Pi Sigma fraternity, we have to celebrate that these 50 years are years of hard work, of living by the tenets of paglingkuran ng sambayanan and paragon of scholarship. And that is something that every Sigman is proud of.